The title of this movie is Riverwalk, created by Amy Shepherd. A colorful fish with spots decorates the screen. Images in this movie appear on a black background. Adventure here, adventure there. Adventures, adventures everywhere. It's a perfect day for exploring. Let's go for a walk along the river. The trail begins with an old wooden bridge. Thump, thump, thump go the boards beneath my feet. I stop to lean over the railing. What's that sound? Click, click, zip, zap. Grasshoppers are leaping and darting near the water. Some even buzz as they fly through the air. Then, plip, plop, a fish breaks through the surface, catching a snack as it disappears with a splash. I take a deep breath. The air smells crisp and clean. The river flows with a gentle swish, swish, swish. Suddenly, I hear a sharp screech, screech. A red-tailed hawk flies overhead. Its wings glide through the air as it scans the riverbank for something to eat. Kerplunk! My dog jumps into the water. She splashes and wags her tail with joy. Splish, splash, splish, splash. Cool drops of water fly everywhere. I laugh as one lands on my cheek. I sit on a warm, sunny rock. I listen. I breathe in deeply as the wind swirls around me. I feel peaceful. What an adventure. See you next time.